Here's today's 60 seconds at CS speed. We've got some lower cage action for the trans and the engine in the back. It's also going to double as suspension cross member, motor mount. There's going to be another piece coming out wider to spread the load. We've got some little adapters holding the trans in place. Where we were marked and we're located, I have a jig that I designed, getting laser cut now. It's on the way. That's going to take care of the upright and the top rail for the back here. Did some design work this week and it's coming together slow but steady. You can see it sits low. We've got a frame clearance of 4 1/4 of an inch. That's it. That's your 60 seconds at CS speed.